Hey guys, Joe with Carmel Car Audio, and today I wanted to show off this. And today I'm going over Audio Dynamics' new product that they just released, I think last week. And we got these in, and I am super excited to show you all about it. As I put this up, I realized that I had to put this here instead of here because this thing's so massive, this table started to bow. Then again, that's what I get for trusting a $1,000 woofer with a $49 table. So first off, we've got the 8-inch 3000 series woofer, which we'll be covering in our mini sub series. The other pieces here that I have, I'll definitely want to show and talk about today because the last event that we had, if you haven't seen it, click this link here and watch that video. Check it out and see what was going on at the competition. A lot of fun people come by, 40 entries, and over about 100 people just spectating. But with that being said, we don't have a vehicle here that we can compete with. And we got to thinking, we want to show off and we want to get loud. And might as well show off the skills that Charles has here with the product that we carry. This monstrosity paired with that monstrosity. We're going to put 6 of these 15-inch 6000 series woofers in the van with a custom box, obviously. And on top of that, this amplifier over here is going to be pushing all of them. Now, this amplifier is like a miniature, little surfboard or road cruiser for a skateboard. This thing's massive. Honestly, a little bit of a workout for me to carry it from up front to back here. Not gonna lie. On the side here, I want to be very careful about moving this because that thing about fell off and it scared the out of me. So I'll move this box. Let me show you the inputs on this thing. This amplifier has 3 ground inputs and 3 pot inputs of aught gauge. This thing will do 12,000 watts of power at 1 ohm. 12,000 watts at 1 ohm is what they have told us that this amplifier will do. Now, they also released another amplifier that was advertised at, let's say, 8,000, but it actually did round up doing about 10 or so. So it did more than what they put on the box. They haven't truly tested this yet to its full potential. Guess what? We're going to test it and see exactly how much we can get out of this amplifier. By doing so, like I said, we have single aught gauge input for ground and hot. So we're going to have 3 runs of aught gauge for hot, 3 runs of aught gauge for ground. But we're going to actually mix it up and we're going to run double aught. We're going to go 2 input to 1 input. So we're going to have 6 runs of double aught gauge, pure copper, into this one amplifier. And the same thing for ground because you want to have equal ground. But this thing will have tons of power and tons of ability to pull that amperage that it needs to push that. These amplifiers that they're coming out with are coming out with these bass knobs. This bass knob is super cool in my opinion. I like the look of it, and with the voltmeter it has on the front of it, so it has a voltmeter, a temperature, and distortion or clipping light on here. And man, it just looks super clean. Imagine taking this, flushing it in, and you got this nice little piece of what looks like glass. It just looks really, really cool. But this thing will tell you the temperature of the amplifier, tells you the voltage of the amplifier with the car and everything, and gives you a clipping light. We're going to be working on this, making this thing just absolutely insane. We're going to have 3 of these, 27 runs of double aught gauge on 3 of these amps, along with roughly about 60 plus batteries in this van. This thing is going to be a monstrosity and hopefully ridiculously loud and doing some hair tricks. I don't know if you can actually see the beauty of this. They went with a carbon fiber dust cover. The integrity that these guys have put into this subwoofer to make it what it is just blows me away. With that being said, it is locally owned as far as it being in Missouri. What they bring to the table just continues to impress us here at Carmel Car Audio, and hopefully be able to impress you with a box that's built, ready to demo by the time we have our next event. And stay up to date with us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, the whole 9 yards. This way you're in the loop for the next event or the next video we post. So we're here to teach you guys and have a fun time. That's the point of this channel, and that's the point of what we do here as a business. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start packing these things up, put them away. But if you want to see this in action, make sure to come to the next event. Hopefully by that time we will have this up and running. Same thing with that sub. And if you want to learn more about the Audio Dynamics sub, the 3000 series 8-inch woofer, check out the next video for our mini sub series. Or if you have general information that you want to know about car audio or mobile electronics in general, comment down below. Make sure to like and follow the page so we can bring you the content that you want. Guys, have a wonderful day, and I want to get to it and do another workout because I need it.